So there is a ball of mass m which falls from a height of 40 meters and hits the ground with a certain speed. Let us find out that speed. Suppose that speed is say v1. Now we can use the equation v square minus u square is equal to 2s for this motion of the ball where it falls from a height of 40 meters and hits the ground. So v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now v is equal to v1 is the velocity at which the ball hits the ground, and that is the velocity that we want to find out. So v1 square minus u square. U is the initial velocity, which is 0 because the ball is dropped from this height. So this is 0. A is equal to g acting downwards, g, and s is equal to 40. Okay, so v1 is equal to under root of 80 g, which is equal to 28 meters per second. Now as the ball hits the ground, it bounces off the ground at a certain speed and then it rises above the ground till a height of 10 meters. Now again we can use the equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now in this case where the ball bounces off the ground, it reaches till a certain height and it stops there. So in this case the final velocity v will be equal to 0 minus u square. U is the velocity at which the ball bounces off the ground. Say this is equal to say v2, and a is the acceleration, which is g acting downwards. So 2 into g into the height till which the ball rises up after bouncing back from the ground. This is equal to 10. So this is equal to 20 g. So v2 is equal to under root of 20 g. This is equal to 14. So what is impulse? The total change in momentum. So impulse due to this collision will be equal to total change in momentum due to this collision. Total change in momentum will be equal to mass into change in velocity. So mass is equal to 0.5 into change in velocity will be equal to v2 plus v1. Why? Because these velocities are in the opposite direction. So the change in velocity will not be equal to v2 minus v1. It would have been v2 minus v1 if the velocities were in the same direction. But since these velocities are in the opposite direction, change in velocity will be equal to v2 plus v1, which is equal to 28 plus 14, which is equal to 42. So 0.5 into 42 is 21 Newton seconds.